Welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial for beginners, and today we'll be looking at strings. What are strings? We have already looked at strings in our previous tutorials, how strings are. So today we'll be focusing more on strings. Go on and type JavaScript in your command line in the terminal and hit enter. So we select strings in our menu. It comes next. So what's a string? A string is a sequence of characters, and a character is, roughly speaking, a written symbol. Let's say A, B, well, literally the entire alphabet is full of characters. Yeah, so it can also be numbers, it can be spaces, it can be other symbols. Yeah, so strings are surrounded by either single or double quotation marks, as you can see. So in our tutorial, we're going to try to name. Let's first create our file. This time on we're going to call it strings.js. So we can go ahead and close these previous ones and expand these strings. So we've seen that strings are made up of either single or double quotation, and we're going to declare a string called SumString, const SumString. As we said, it's a convention to use the camel case, where the first word is in totally lowercase, and then the second word without space starts with a capital letter, and then we assign this is a string. So we're going to do almost exactly as what we did in our previous tutorial, SumString. So we're going to see that if we verify strings, yes, it's going to give us correct, but we can also try to check this. What if it is double quoted? Let's try to run this, and as you can see, Visual Studio Code comes with this button. We can run code, and sometimes you will have to go to extensions to download some of these tools that enable you to run this code. For example, JavaScript. You can get the debuggers, you can get JavaScript itself, but you have to be sure that whichever extension you're using is necessarily good and verified. For example, this one is coming from Microsoft itself. So let's try to run this without using our verify. Hit this button. You see, it's giving us this string. What if these strings didn't match? One is double, whether if these quotations didn't match. For example, the one that starts is double and the one that follows is single. what happens? Let's try to run this and see. See, it brings an error. So they have to match by all means for you to get your results correct. So you see it shows in output. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.